Hello students, example 1.19. If the function f such that r to r is defined by f of x is equal to this one 2x plus 7, x less than minus 2, x square minus 2, minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, 3x minus 2, x greater than or equal to 3. Right? We have four subdivisions, f of 4, f of minus 2 and f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1, and we have one more subdivision. Right? So but in our previous problems we had only one f of x, only one function, right? But in this question we have three f of x. For example, look at the first subdivision, f of 4. F of 4 is nothing but we have to substitute 4 in the place of x. But here we have three f of x equations. So this is the problem here. So first of all we have to find out which equation is suitable for this f of 4 out of this three f of x equations. That is the concept. So for that, right, first we have to draw the number line using this limits. First draw the simple number line. What is the number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. It will goes on and it will also goes on, right? This is the number line. Now using this limits, split the number line. Let's look at the first one. 2x plus 7, x less than 2, which means this is f of x for all the values less than 2, which means less than 2 means it is not less than or equal to, so we should not consider this minus 2. So less than 2 means minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, this one. So split here. This is the first interval. So 2x plus 7 is the equation for this interval. So which means when x is less than minus 2 means minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, f of x is 2x plus 7. And the second condition is minus 2 less than or equal to, which means we should consider minus 2 also. X less than 3 means we should not consider 3, up to 2. So from minus 2 to 2, that is this limit. Minus 2 less than or equal to, so we should consider minus 2. Less than 3 means up to 2. So minus 2 to 2, this is the second interval. And what is the f of x for this interval? X square minus 2. And the last one, x greater than or equal to 3, which means greater than or equal to, so we should consider 3 also. So 3 and greater. So 4, 5, 6 until it goes on. So for this is third interval. For this interval f of x is 3x minus 2. So this is very very important 5-mark question. First of all we have to split the number line for this f of x. So now it is very simple to find out the answers. So first subdivision, f of 4. So let's find out which f of x we have to find out for this f of, we have to substitute for this f of 4. So 4. So where this number 4 lies in this number line? It is in the third interval, right? So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So where is this 4 lies in this number line? In third interval. And what is the f of x for this interval? 3x minus 2. That's all. We found out the f of x for this particular function f of 4. So let's write the f of x, that is 3x minus 2. Now what is the value we have to find out? 4, which means f of 4. Substitute 4 in the place of x in this equation. So 3 into 4 minus 2. 3 4s are 12. Minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Therefore f of 4 is 10. So that's why we found out this intervals, right? So you can't able to substitute this f of 4 in any of this equation. There are some conditions. First of all we have to find out which f of x is suitable for this function. So f of 4 is greater than 3, so it is in the third interval. This number lies in the third interval, so f of x is 3x minus 2, right? The same way, second subdivision, f of minus 2. So minus 2 lies in second interval, right? Minus 2 lies in the second interval. What is f of x here? X square minus 2. So what is the value we have to find out? Minus 2. So substitute minus 2 in the place of x. Therefore minus 2 whole square minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore f of minus 2 is equal to 2. The same way, third subdivision, f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. F of 4 value already we found out here. That is 10. So write f of 4 as 10. 2 into f of 1. Don't confuse this one. 2 into f of 1 is nothing but first we have to find out the value of f of 1 and we have to multiply the value with 2, that's all. So don't confuse here. F of 1. So let's check 1 lies in which interval. So 1 lies in the second interval. So what is f of x? X square minus 2. Yes. Let's write f of x equal to x square minus 2. And what is the x value here? 1. Substitute 1 in the place of x. Therefore 1 square minus 2. 1 square is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore f of 1 value is minus 1. So now we know both this value. Substitute in this equation. What is that equation? F of 4 plus 2 into f of 1 is equal to, what is f of 4? 10 plus 2 into, what is f of 1? Minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Therefore, the answer for this one, that is f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1 is equal to 8. And the last subdivision is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3. Already we found out f of 1 value here. What is f of 1 value? Minus 1. And f of 4 value already we found out here, that is 10. So write that values. So what is the value we have to find out here? F of minus 3. Let's find out f of minus 3 belongs to which interval? Minus 3 lies in this first interval. Right? Therefore, what is the f of x? 2x plus 7. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 7. What is x value? Minus 3. Let's substitute in the place of x. So 2 into minus 3 plus 7. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 7. Minus 6 plus 7 is 1. Therefore, f of minus 3 value is 1. Let's substitute all these values in this equation. That is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3. What is f of 1? Minus 1. Minus in this equation. So minus 3. It is here. So 3. What is f of 4 value? 10. So substitute 10. Divided by what is f of minus 3? 1. So minus 1. What is minus 3 into 10? Minus 30. In the denominator, if we have 1, we don't consider that, right? So no need to consider that 1 as a denominator. So leave this 1. So what is the remaining? Minus 1 minus 30. What is minus 1 minus 30? Minus 31. Therefore, f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 divided by f of minus 3 is equal to minus 31. Right? So we found out all the 4 subdivisions. That's all about this problem. Thank you.